In this video, I will show you how to remove the engine room undercover, also known as the engine splash guard on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The engine room undercover protects the underside of your engine from dirt, debris and water, and also helps with aerodynamics. You may need to remove it for an oil change, engine inspection, or other maintenance tasks. Start by safely parking your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and make sure the engine is turned off. Before you can remove the cover, you should lift the front end of the vehicle on jack stands, since there isn't much room under the vehicle for you to get under there. Before lifting the vehicle, place wheel chocks at one of the rear tires to prevent any movement while you're working under the engine. The front jacking points are just behind the front wheels. Look for reinforced metal section marked with notches on the pinch weld. This is where you will place your jack stand. Lift the vehicle high enough to provide comfortable access to the engine undercover. Once the front end is securely raised, slide under the vehicle. You will notice that the cover is held in place with bolts all around the cover and plastic clips around the corners near the wheels. There are a total of 11 bolts and 6 clips securing the panel to the body. Start by removing the 6 clips using a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Once all the clips are out, proceed to remove the 11 bolts holding the panel in place. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts. There are bolts located along the front, middle, and back sections of the panel. Keep all the bolts in a safe place for reinstallation later. Once all the bolts and clips are removed, the undercover will still hang from the large plastic nut near the front center of the panel. Use a 14mm socket to remove this nut and free the cover completely. Once it's free, slide the undercover out from underneath the front bumper area and set it aside. After removing the panel, you will now see the underside of the engine and surrounding components. This area gives you access to the oil pan, drain plug, oil filter, and other engine parts that are normally covered. Take a moment to inspect for any signs of oil leaks, fluid buildup, or loose components before proceeding with your maintenance work. Before reinstalling, it's a good idea to wash the panel thoroughly. Use a garden hose or a pressure washer to rinse off any built-up dirt, mud, or oil residue. If there is heavy grime, scrub it gently with a soft brush and mild detergent. Cleaning the undercover not only improves its appearance, but also helps spot any fluid leaks that might need attention. Once you are done with the maintenance work, slide the panel back under the vehicle and align it with the mounting points. Lift it into position and first install the large plastic nut near the front center to hold it in place. Next, loosely reinstall all the 11 bolts along the front, middle, and back sections to make sure the holes line up properly. Also, reinstall the 6 clips that you removed earlier. Then use a 10mm socket to tighten all the bolts. Do not over-tighten, as the threads are small and can strip easily. The recommended tightening torque for these bolts is 7.8 to 11.8 Nm or 5.7 to 8.6 pound-feet. After reinstalling the panel, double check that all bolts and clips are secure. Make sure the undercover sits flush against the body with no loose or hanging edges. Finally, carefully lower the vehicle back to the ground. And we are done. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Join for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.